Did you know that we have two essential oil blends that have air in the name? One it's called Easy Air and it has fresh and minty aroma, which is great for breathing. And the second blend is called Air X and it has sweet aroma. I call it Lollipop blend. And why? Because of the sweetness of essential oil. So let's talk about Air X. It's a blend of lychee, tangerine, grapefruit, frankincense, and cardamom. This blend has powerful cleansing properties, and that's why you can use it in your household. So what you can do is create your household cleaner. Make half a bottle vinegar, the other half of the bottle distilled water, and 10 drops of Air X. And like that, you can clean your bathrooms and kitchen. The second way how I use Air X, I use unscented body lotion. I put 1 or 2 drops of essential oil and I apply it on my body either in the morning or in the evening. And third way how you can use Air X is create your own hand sanitizer. If you enjoyed my tips and you would like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, follow this profile.